Conquering time travel, mastering future continuous tense. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop solution for all your English language learning needs. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating part of English grammar, future continuous tense. It may seem a little tricky, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be using the future continuous tense like a pro. Let's get started. The future continuous tense, also known as future progressive tense, expresses an action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future. It's generally used when we predict or guess about something that will be happening. The structure for this tense is will plus be plus verb ing, base verb plus ing. For example, she will be playing tennis at 5 p.m. tomorrow. In this sentence, we predict that the action of playing tennis will be in progress at a specific time in the future. We use future continuous tense to 1. Talk about ongoing actions in the future. Actions that we expect to be happening in the future. For instance, we will be celebrating my sister's birthday this time tomorrow. 2. Ask politely about someone's plans. For example, will you be using the car tomorrow? It's less direct than asking, are you going to use the car tomorrow? To form negative statements, we use the structure will not, won't, plus be plus verb ing. For example, I won't be attending the conference next week. To ask questions, we invert will and the subject. Will plus subject plus be plus verb ing? For example, will you be joining us for dinner? Certain time expressions frequently accompany the future continuous tense, including at this time tomorrow, at this time next week, and so on. For example, they will be flying to Paris at this time next month. And that's it for today's lesson, everyone. We hope you found this video on the future continuous tense helpful. Remember, like any new skill, mastering this tense requires practice. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll master the future continuous tense in no time. Until our next video, keep making the future continuous. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.